Following on from the previous tutorial about the sequencer, we've set up a scenario where the lead equipment will run as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence, and the subsequent stages 2 to 5 will run based on runtime. So currently we have no equipment inhibited. We're running at 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2, which results in stage 3 as the lead and 5 as the least amount of run hours running. If we increment or run a sequence change rather to our lead chiller, 4 will now start up and 5 will remain on as it has the least amount of run hours. I'll expand this at 6. So if we ran another sequence change and the lead was 5, we would have a change where 5 continues to run as the lead, but 3 will start as the following chiller. Wrong block. So now 5 is the lead, and 3 has started as the following chiller. Now if we went through another sequence change, 5 will stop, 3 will remain running, and 1 will become the lead. The following equipment doesn't have a sequence change unless there is a demand change or a fault change. So in this case we'll go from 5, sorry, wrong block again. So 1 becomes the lead chiller or lead equipment, 3 remains running, 5 remains off, because even though it has the least amount of run hours, that's not what was keeping the unit running. If we had a step or stage increase, 5 then becomes on, 3 is on. If we then step down, 3 is off, 5 remains on based on its runtime. As you inhibit, so currently we're running obviously 5 on follow. If we put 5 in fault, 5 stops, 3 comes on, and it would be excluded from the lead choices. So if we put 2 in fault as well and ran a sequence change, we're currently running 1 and 3. We run a sequence change, it would skip over 2 and make 3 the lead, and then 3 would be inhibited on this side and 5 would be asked to run. So 3 will continue to run and 5 will start. Wait, 5's inhibited, 4 will start. My mistake. So we can see that the lead jumped over the unavailable output of 2, or input of 2, whichever you want to say, and 3 has become the lead. 5 still has the least amount of run hours, but it is currently in fault or inhibit due to maintenance or for whatever reason. So you can see how we can run our lead chillers or lead equipment in a 1, 2, 3, 4 scenario and following or subsequent stages based on runtime. Thank you.